In the next few minutes, we're going to reveal the single most powerful image and video generation tool on the market today.
It's a tool that's been virtually whispered about, an absolute secret weapon. Most creators are actively hiding from you, but here on Smart Idiot, we don't keep secrets. We share the AI breakthroughs that actually matter. For too long, you've been battling the brutal frustration of AI generation. You finally create the perfect character, the exact lighting, the perfect expression, only for the next prompt, the next frame, to destroy it. Your character's face changes, the style shifts, the consistency is shattered. That problem. It dies right now. Welcome to the future of visual consistency. Welcome to Google WHISK. Google didn't just release another tool. They quietly tucked away a foundational change in the labs. A platform with the absolute fidelity to lock down a character's identity and even more critically generate full cinematic long-form videos with flawless visual consistency. Prepare yourself, because the entire concept of what an AI video generator can do is about to change forever. I'm the Smart Idiot, and my mission is to upload weekly deep dives. Videos with the quality and depth you'd normally pay hundreds for in an online course. We exist to keep you not just updated, but 2 steps ahead in the relentless, fast-moving world of AI video generator technology. Smash that like button, subscribe to the Smart Idiot channel, and for a front-row seat to the chaos, ring that notification bell. It's the only smart thing an idiot would do. Don't be the last to know about the biggest AI revolutions. Let's cut to the chase. What exactly is Google WHISK? It's not just an image generator. It's an entire creative command center. Think of it as the ultimate interface, combining the sheer visual quality of Google's Imagen 4 with the consistency and refinement of models like Nano Banana and the revolutionary video power of VO 3.1. This is Google's creative nexus, and accessing it is almost insultingly simple. Just go to Labs, Google or FX, or simply type WHISK into Google. You'll land on the Labs page, where you can see all the incredible tools at your disposal, including Flow, which utilizes VO 3.1 directly. But for today, we start with WHISK. When you enter WHISK, this is the interface you see. The access is straightforward. For image generation, you have 0 limitations. Create as much as you want. The power is completely yours. For video generation using the magnificent VO 3.1, the free account gives you a solid foundation of 5 generations, with a pro account unlocking up to 50 videos. Your available credits are always displayed right up top, next to your personal library of saved projects and images. Getting started is seamless because the platform is designed for total creative completeness. You can create an image purely from a text prompt. I'll generate a random image from WHISK's suggestion, and 2 images are immediately created. It's that simple. Or I can type the command a white tiger and boom, I instantly get the desired result. I'll continue to create a unicorn cat, generate, and wow, amazing, right? And yes, the interface supports prompts in any language you can imagine. For instance, let's try Thailand language. Of course, I don't speak Thai language. But I used a translation tool to generate the phrase "a man standing on the beach." I paste it right here, and it works flawlessly. It's that easy. Next, let's give this man a hat. I click on the image I selected, enter the instruction, put a hat on the man, hit generate, and it's done. You can create as many images as you like without any limitation, even on a free account. But the real genius lies in the image-to-image prompting. You can insert up to 3 reference images directly into the creation bar, instantly guiding the results to your exact vision. Refinement and consistency, the Smart Idiot way. From this initial creation, I can go directly into refinement. Let's say I want to change the color of this unicorn cat's eyes to pink. Boom, magic happened. I simply upload or drag the generated image into the subject box on the left, type my instruction. And WHISK edits the image directly, leaving everything else untouched. The precision is mind-blowing. The eyes shift exactly as requested, but the fur texture, the lighting, the scene, it's all perfectly preserved. This is precision editing without a single layer mask. Another killer feature, upload any image into the subject field, and WHISK's powerful AI will instantly analyze it and generate a detailed, complete prompt description of everything it sees, from lighting to composition, down to the last detail. Now that the prompt is generated, I can make brand new, complex changes. For example, I can ask it to give her a pair of wings. WHISK makes these adjustments immediately, even before generating the new image. Look at the result. A unicorn cat with magnificent wings. The composition is tighter, and I can continue this level of refinement endlessly within the same panel. It's crucial to understand the workflow. Your initial images are generated by Imagen for raw quality. But the moment you start refining or altering those images, Nano Banana kicks in. That combination is what guarantees the consistency and accuracy of your edits. For a true consistency test, I'll enter a simple text prompt, a girl with pink hair, and done. Exactly what I wanted. Now, let's create a random scene like in a glowing jungle with sunlight beams. Whatever you want, just tell Whisk. No complex prompts needed. And we immediately get the result we're looking for. Nothing could be more perfect, right? But hold on. That's not all. The truly miraculous part is waiting just ahead, so let's continue this exploration with Smart Idiot. The triple threat, subject, scene, and style. Look over to the side panel. This is where the magic happens. You have dedicated slots to upload or drag images for subject, scene, and style. This is the core of its consistency power. You can upload your character to the subject box, a specific background to the scene, and a photo of a painting or film grain to the style. Before you even generate, you can use the prompt bar for a final layer of text instruction. Want to zoom in? Change a color? You type it right here. You can also specify the environment to lock down the setting your subject appears in, or refine the style by describing the aesthetic you want, from cinematic to watercolor. But Whisk is also built to break your creative blocks. Hit the dice icon, and Whisk generates random, inspirational prompts. It's a creative kickstart button. You also have full control over the aspect ratio. Now, if you click on the tool icon, you gain access to the deep controls. This is where you can enter a seed code to lock down character consistency across multiple shots. A feature that is invaluable for storytelling. You can toggle on or off Nano Banana for enhanced accuracy and make other crucial refinements. Let's see this in action. I hit the dice, it generates a random prompt, and boom, instant image creation. Look at this result. It's stunning, and the quality is immediately studio grade. The power of imagery mixing. Unleash your vision. The true revolutionary core of Whisk is the ability to use the side panel to add multiple elements. This is the key to complex scene creation. I can click the plus button to add more categories if I need to. Here's a setup that would break almost any other AI. In the subject field, I placed my female model. In a second subject slot, I drag images of our unicorn cat, and for the scene, I added the glowing jungle with sunlight beams image that we just created. My instruction was simple. I want a girl hugging a cat in a glowing jungle with sunlight beams. The result? Perfection. Whisk seamlessly merged every single reference. The girl is hugging the unicorn cat, placed exactly in the glowing jungle scene with beautiful light beams. It's even more beautiful than I could have imagined, with her eyes closed, lost in the moment. And now, I want her to open her eyes and look directly at the camera. It's that simple, and I instantly have the result I wanted. From here, you can push the style element even further. I can add a prompt to give the entire photo a deep, retro, 1970 seconds look, down to the color tones, the grain, and the specific camera lens. I tested this, and the image instantly shifted to a beautiful, era-perfect retro vibe. It's truly fantastic. The subject, the scene, and the style. You are the director of every single variable. Character continuity and cinematic video. If you are loving this, if this is changing how you think about AI art, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Smart Idiot, and join my exclusive groups. The links are below. This is just the beginning of what we cover. You can now use Whisk to generate professional-grade photo books with absolute character continuity. I uploaded a female model, locked the seed for guaranteed consistency, and let Whisk generate. The results are astounding. We now have the beautiful pink-haired girl hugging the unicorn cat in a stunning scene. Now, what do you think this girl would say? For me, this is exactly what I want her to say. Even in the deepest forest, a little magic finds its way to me. You know, life can be unpredictable sometimes, but as long as you hold on to your belief and keep moving forward, good things will come. For me, AI opened a door so we could meet today. I honestly never thought I could build this YouTube channel from a small room and share something as massive as AI. That's right. It's a little magic finds its way to me, but the journey doesn't stop at still images. This is an AI video generator channel after all. Whisk lets you animate them into videos. I clicked the Animate button, added my prompt, and asked the character to speak, saying, "Even in the deepest forest, a little magic finds its way to me." Using VO 3.1 right inside Whisk, the platform generated my video instantly. You can download it as an image sequence or a GIF format, but the full video file includes the native audio. That's a huge feature. And here is the final, consistent, professional-grade output.
Even in the deepest forest, a little magic finds its way to me.
One final, critical detail. When you generate images in Whisk, they come out without any watermark. This is a significant advantage over other tools that stamp your image. The only exception is when you generate a video using VO 3.1, which will include the VO watermark. Google WHISK is the definitive tool you have been waiting for to launch your content to the next level.
Even in the deepest forest, a little magic finds its way to me.
With guaranteed character consistency, photorealistic quality, and cinematic video generation in mere seconds, the tired excuse that AI production is not professional is officially over. Now, I want to know from you, which specific feature of Whisk, the triple threat panel, the refinement editing, or the VO 3.1 video generation, impressed you the most? Drop your answer in the comments right now. And if this content helped you, smash that like button so the algorithm gods notice us. Subscribe to the Smart Idiot channel. We're just getting started with AI, creativity, and making the impossible stupidly fun. Until then, stay curious, stay weird, and keep building, because being a smart idiot is better than being a boring genius. Thanks for your watching. Goodbye for now.